So, how are you guys doing? Hope you are doing well. So, let's look at the update from the BTCUSDT chart from the Binance. All right. So, right now Bitcoin is at $11,800. All right. The stochastic RSI is still in the lower region. It means that the we have pretty much room to move upwards. It means that the Bitcoin projection might go higher than this. All right, and also in the RSI we can see that here the RSI has curved here. It means that Bitcoin is moving in the upward direction. Also the the MACD is also showing us that the selling pressure has reduced and the buyers are coming in, all right, to defend the bears. All right, so let's go to the shorter time frame, that is 4 hour the time frame. All right, and let's see the even more clear picture. All right, so this is the correction which is happening from the past 2 weeks. All right, almost 2 weeks. So Bitcoin just topped out at this level of around 13,000, or we can say at approximately $14,000, and after that it just came down, make it just made a rising wedge, then again came down, and once again rising wedge, and then a huge dump here right to the 9,700. I played this dump very well. I just shorted BTCUSDT at this level of around 11,800, and I took my profit at around 10,500. All right, so it was a good profit, and after that I was watching for the further downward movement for the Bitcoin. If it goes below 10,000 or 9,000, it just stopped at this $9,700, and after that Bitcoin is come up, but unfortunately I didn't have much time to play this upward move here, because if I had the time I would have entered in this at the level of around 10,400, or at the level of 10,500. All right, and I would be in the position right here, and I would be waiting for Bitcoin to go to the 12,000 or 12,400 level, and I would have taken my profits at the level of $12,000. All right, so but at this point, currently right now I'm not in any position, and yesterday I have told in my video that if yesterday Bitcoin was at the level of 11,300 and 200, all right, between this level, and I said that this 11,500 line is gonna probably act as a huge resistance, and we can see that for 1, 2, 3, and 4 times this line acted as a resistance 4 times, and then we see a huge rise here in the Bitcoin price action, and it just shoot up right at the level of 11,900, and right now it's this resistance is acting as support, and I think we have found a support line here. Let's look at the even shorter time frame. This is the 1 hourly time frame, so we can clearly see that Bitcoin has found some support on this line here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points here, guys, and also the stochastic RSI is in the middle range. It means that Bitcoin has pretty much room to move upwards, and also the RSI is at the level of 60. All right, 59.44. It's around 60. So there's pretty much room to move upward, and also the MACD is also showing the sign that the buying pressure has slowed down, and it's gonna and the buyers are coming in, so we may see some upward action in this MACD also here, and I think that right now at this point the 12,200 to $12,000, this is our prime resistance level here, and once the Bitcoin price passes this level here, it's gonna shoot right up to the 13,200 or 13,600. All right, guys. So if anybody wants to play this long here, the good entry would be at the 12,200. All right, after 12,200 at this point here, or 12,250, and can keep the stop loss at the level of around 11,800, and can take profit at the 12,975. So let's look at that, how it's gonna be. Long position, let's put the long position here at the level of 12,200, and let's set the target of right 12,900, and let's put the stop loss at around here 11,700 or 800 approximately. So this gives us the risk to reward ratio of 1.45. It's pretty good, guys. So once again, let me tell you, this is not a financial advice to buy or sell Bitcoin. These are just my speculation and my thoughts on the Bitcoin price action. So I'm just a huge Bitcoin enthusiast, and I'm here just to provide you some information and entertain you guys. So see you today with the new Bitcoin updates. Bye for now.